One question parents ask us all the time is, why does my kid melt down so easily when other kids seem fine? Here's the truth. Not all nervous systems are wired the same. Some kids are just more sensitive to their environment. They might be more sensitive to noise, transitions, hunger, fatigue, or social demand. This isn't weakness, it's temperament. Research shows temperament is biologically based, not caused by your parenting style. You aren't doing anything wrong. Many meltdowns aren't emotional at first. They're sensory. Bright lights, loud rooms, or even scratchy clothes can be the trigger. Kids don't say, "I'm overstimulated." They say, "No, stop," or "I don't want it," because their system doesn't feel safe. Discipline assumes choice, but meltdowns are a loss of control. You can't discipline a nervous system back into regulation. Instead of control, your child needs support. You don't discipline them, you regulate with them in that moment. We made a huge shift. We stopped asking why during meltdowns. Questions demand thinking, and thinking isn't available then. Focusing on presence alone can reduce the intensity of an explosion. It signals that you are a safe harbor in the storm. When emotions peak, use this sentence: "I see how big this feels, I'm here with you." Say it once, then just stay present. This works because it names the emotion, signals safety, and removes the pressure for them to fix it immediately. Meltdowns won't disappear, but they will shorten. That is the sound of regulation being learned over time. Important note, this isn't for manipulation or defiance. If they are calm enough to negotiate, this isn't the moment. Knowing the difference between a loss of control and a lack of cooperation changes everything about how you respond. Regulation is built slowly through repeated co-regulation, calm boundaries, and predictable responses. Every time you stay regulated, you lend your nervous system to your child. Eventually, they internalize that calm. That's how kids learn to calm themselves, not by being told what to do, but by being shown how it feels to be safe. We investigate and translate the research so you don't have to. And the research is clear. Kids need regulated parents, not perfect ones. In these moments, your child learns they are safe when overwhelmed, and that they can recover. That is true resilience. If this helped you feel less alone, that was the point. Subscribe for weekly research-backed guidance. You've got this. And since you made it this far, you've earned a quiet coffee break. No judgment. Stay tuned for week 2.